Today we have professional Italian chef
For sure.
who spent all his life to make pizza.
I just dedicated to teach online through YouTube how to make the best pizza. I even have a tattoo pizza.
We are making 3 pizzas, but American. We're gonna make hot dog pizza, cheeseburger pizza, and your favorite one, pineapple and ham. But first we have to check if this guy is real Italian. So say something in Italian language, and you guys, if you understand, tell me in a comment what he said.
Perché non mi credi che sono italiano? Sono venuto da Bari apposta qua per assaggiare le tue pizze.
It doesn't sound like you say good stuff.
No, I say good now. Don't worry about it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, this is the perfect fermentation of dough. Everything starts with the dough. The dough is everything. It's made with passion. Look at this. Look how soft it is.
So first one,
Hot dog pizza.
who doesn't like hot dogs? He brought me his pizza oven.
Voila. Well, in Italy, little kids eat hot dogs on the pizza. You are my subscriber. Maybe this is not my idea, okay?
Hot dog doesn't have tomato sauce, but it has ketchup and mustard. So this is our sauce base.
Oh my god, poor pizza.
So we do mustard, we do ketchup.
I've never seen something like this in my life.
It's sharp cheddar.
How come it's yellow?
Yeah, cheddar is yellow. So we go with hot dogs.
Hot dogs actually taste good on the pizza, but not like that. You actually know how to make pizza too.
We also made a video with how we made
A real pizza, guys, go check on my channel.
in his channel.
That's how you make the pizza.
Good. It came out so good. There is no hot dog without
Pickles.
pickles. We're gonna use sweet relish.
Oh, poor pizza.
Some spice. It's jalapenos.
How to not make a pizza? That's a special dog.
It's like basil in America.
Okay. I'm learning something new today.
Wait a second,
Do you
until we
finish?
try. We finish now. You're gonna bake it
I'll cook
to
it.
perfection. Okay.
Then both? Let's cook it.
So next one is gonna be cheeseburger pizza.
Pace bene.
So what is a cheeseburger? Basically same as ketchup,
I might like this.
pickles,
Yeah.
and plastic cheese.
I'm not gonna touch that. You know,
Come on. Some fun in your
where's the
life.
ketchup on the pizza?
Taste something new.
It's like a knife on the chest.
I don't wanna burn cheese, so I'll start with cheese.
Fake cheese, plastic.
You know it's the best cheese to use in burger. It's the best.
Yeah,
it's
it's
the best.
good. But
It's the
I don't
best.
know. I don't know. But when you cook it in the oven.
I did it before.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They come out good.
Amazing.
I cannot eat anymore, but it wasn't bad at all.
So we're gonna use some pickles because we have pickles, you know.
Don't try this at home.
Try. It's delicious.
I just
And I have ground beef.
ground beef is really good on the pizza.
So ground beef.
It's like sausage.
This
Poor pizza. Andiamo in the oven.
and the last one is your favorite, pineapple and ham from Canada.
What are you gonna put on the base of this pizza?
It's Italian sauce.
It's actually a good one. I tasted before. Tomato sauce. Okay, we start with the right foot.
Okay, cool. Now we go with mozzarella,
That's a good one too. 2 good ingredients.
pineapple.
I have to be sorry to all the Italians that they are watching this.
Italian ham.
Sorry, scusatemi ragazzi, ma non è colpa mia. Just say it's not my fault. I'm glad that you hide the pineapple.
Last topping, the
Bell peppers. Green bell peppers.
green bell peppers.
Ok. Ti benedico, Signore.
Go.
Hey. Big breath. 1 second. Let me do a pray for 1, 2 and 3. Nel nome del Padre, del Figlio e dello Spirito Santo. Amen. Okay, now do your things. Yes, cut those pizzas.
You have to eat.
Hot dog pizza.
Get slice of jalapeno.
Look.
Get slice of
It's,
jalapeno.
everything is on. I'm not cheating, Ray. I'm not cheating. See?
Cheers. Oh my.
So right now, I'm super hungry, okay? At the first bite, I have to say it's not bad because it is really like a original hot dog.
Yeah, I love hot dogs. For me, it's like 8.
I want to give a number, maybe 4.
4. From Italian guy, it's not bad. Cheeseburger.
I might like this.
Yeah, we will like for sure. It's
really?
amazing. See?
Ready?
Go. For me, it's like 5, 6.
This is 2.5.
This one is better.
It is. The cheese melts too
much.
It gets a very weird taste, creamy taste, which is I don't like it.
The best is the best.
I have to say something, okay? That's the true fact. I tasted only one time in my life of making pizza, 36 years of making pizzas. Only one time I tasted pineapple on the pizza, which wasn't why I threw away everything in the garbage. Now this is my second time in my life tasting a pineapple on the pizza for you.
Let's do it.
It's not surprising. For me, it's really a big deal. Oh man,
Come on.
no, it's bad, man.
No.
It's bad. It is disgusting.
It doesn't taste bad.
It doesn't belong. The pineapple doesn't belong on the pizza. I'm already starting mentally that it's against my religion. I give it 1.
Solid 7.
Solid 7. I'm sorry
8.
about that.
6, 7.
Negative total. This is alright, but if it wasn't for the cheese, this was actually tastes good.
Okay, Vita, thank you. You coming from Italy, a long way.
Yeah.
Bye.
Ciao.